Welcome back to NC Bass, and today we're back on Lake Norman. It's a full moon. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's 4 a.m. I got here super early. The shad are out. They should be biting. Supposedly all the big fish come out at nighttime. So I got a few hours while it's still dark, try to catch a big fish, see how the night fishing is here. It's pretty chilly. It's like 37 degrees right now. It's way colder than I thought it was going to be. The lake level is still really low, but it actually come up a little tiny bit since last night, so hopefully they're pulling water. I might go upriver, but right now I'm gonna fish around the light in Stumpy. Probably go down to the bridge in Stumpy Creek, see how it goes down there with the lights. Try to catch some fish at nighttime. Hopefully maybe catch a hybrid or two, see how it is. Hopefully get a good game plan for what I'm gonna do next week in a tournament after the sun comes up. But for right now we're gonna try to catch a big one at night. There we go. Let me throw the squarebill. Can't get bit on the plopper or the chatterbait. I only got my goal. Oh, he hooked me. Okay, barely. Squarebill gets bit. I guess the chatterbait and the 110 plopper was too big for him. He wouldn't bite it. Well, squarebill about got hooked. Around that time. Same fish probably nailed my chatterbait, and then I threw a squarebill over there. I knew he's probably too small to eat the chatterbait, and that's why. Because he's a little guy. That's why he couldn't take the chatterbait. Barely got him. Not big, but we'll take it. Oh, there we go. Squarebill is the only thing getting bit. I think it's because it's the smallest bait I have on. It's not big. About the same size. Well guys, didn't have the GoPro going. Just got one on the chatterbait finally. Been bit on it twice, but finally got one in. He ain't big though, but he is the biggest fish so far. It's already been about a couple hours. Only got 4 fish to show for it. They're all little. There he is. God, he hit it like 3 times because he's tiny. That's why. Man, I don't know if it's the same fish that hit it every time, but thump, thump. Oh, there's bait ball right there. That's why they're over here. Another tiny guy. Missed another one on the chatterbait. Then this thing got hit 3 times in one cast. Squarebill. Oh my God, they're hitting it so hard tonight. There we go. God, I got hit like 6 times coming through that light. This might be a hybrid. Yes, it's a hybrid. I wanted to catch a hybrid today. That's why I'm getting slammed so hard. I mean, I'm getting hit and not even hooking them. Look at that little hybrid. I was hoping I'd catch some hybrid with these shad back here. I'm up here at the state park, right past the state park ramp. Too bad he don't have a tag in him. Go, little hybrid. There's more down there because I'm getting nailed. He is 15.5 inches. Almost a keeper, even though I wouldn't keep him. But nice little hybrid. Got him. God, they fight. That was a bass. Oh, man. God, that was awesome. It's a largemouth. Oh, and I lost him. Dang it. Watch it come off that branch and he just killed that chatterbait. Oh yeah, good one. Looks like a good fish. Right here at the spillway. Oh, he's got to be a hybrid. He's fighting like a hybrid. Ain't tried to jump yet. Fast runs. I think it's a bass though. Good bass. Nice little spot. Yes. Here we go. It ain't that big, but man, he was fighting. My drag must have went down some. Second bite I've had here in like 4 casts. There we go. God, they're hitting it way out here though. They feel smaller. Little spot. They're loving the squarebill today. Bet the lip should work too. This has a good thud of a rattle in it. That's why I threw it at night. Still working in the day though. Oh yeah, there we go. He's not big, but I was wondering if I come up here for no reason. That was pretty quick. Changed colors on the squarebill, went to the silent. In the daytime, I don't feel like I need the rattle. God, he about took the rod out of my hands. God, that's a... He hit it like a hybrid. I don't think he's very big. No. He just killed it. He's not big. Hit it like he was a big fish. There we go. Tiny one. Largemouth. Little baby largemouth. Looks like a good one. God, that does feel like a good one. Either is a good one or a catfish. It's definitely fighting like a catfish. Oh, it's a spot. Solid. Not that big. How long is he? He's not even 15 inches. Go on the 3 fish limit though. Is he tiny or what? The little ones will hit it hard and then be still hitting the squarebill. Man, this lake is full of these little tiny fish. Tiny, man. They hit it so hard and then they'll be that big. Nice one. Dang, that feels like a good fish. Yeah, he's not that big, but he's decent. Maybe even the biggest of the day. And he tried to pull me under that walkway. On the squarebill. That's why I love this lake. What other lake can you go and catch 16, 17 fish? in a few hours. Most of them are tiny, but that's a decent fish. He's still not very big either. He's right at 15 inches. Well guys, day's over. Had a pretty good day. That's the biggest fish of the day. Went ahead and got a weight on my 3 best. 5.25 pounds, 5.26 pounds. Not impressive. But we caught a ton of fish and it was fun. That's what I love about this lake. You can come here, catch 12, 13 fish. They might not be big. If you want to catch big fish, this isn't the lake to come to. But you're going to get bit, you're going to catch fish. Especially in the fall, these fish are starting to school up now. You see I catch 1 or 2 in a row like I did today, and they were killing the squarebill. The fish is right at 2 pounds. It was a good day for bites. Got a lot of fish. It wasn't a tournament, so it didn't matter. And I caught a hybrid. I ain't caught a hybrid in a while, which is fun. Got here about 4 and it's like 11 o'clock. So, I mean, 7 hours you can catch 16, 17 fish. I don't know how much I caught, 15 or so, plus a hybrid. It was a fun morning. The moon bite wasn't as great as I thought it would be. I thought I'd catch some big fish or maybe a lot of fish, but wasn't that great. I caught a couple, but they were killing the squarebill today, guys. Caught them on the bluegill colored one this morning and the 1.5 KVD, and this little bluegill, I don't even know what brand it is, Excite brand, but it's got a stud rattle. This one's silent. Pull out the silent in the daytime. It done good on a medium action rod, 12-pound fluoro, 6 3-to-1 reel, kind of like a slower with the crankbase, but squarebill isn't as big, isn't as important. But they were killing the squarebill. They were shallow. It was a good day. Hopefully I can get a good pattern for the tournament next week. Hopefully catch some bigger fish. See you on the next video.